Today in this video I show you how to fix automatic volume up and down problem on Android. For this problem you can try the settings that I am going to show you in this video. Open settings app. Now scroll down to find additional settings and then click on additional settings. Now you have to open clear speaker and turn on this toggle. Click on got it. Now this will help you to clear your speakers and headphones jack so that your volume up and down problem will solve. And if you still having the problem, then go back. Now you have to open apps and then click on manage apps. Now click on search bar, type system launcher and open it. Now what you can do is try to solve your problem by clearing cache or data. After doing this, if you still find volume up and down problem, then you can press volume up and down button at the same time for few minutes. You can also try to clear your headphone or earphone jack. If your problem is still not fixed yet, then take your phone to the service center or any phone technician. So this is how you can fix volume up and down problem on Android. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.